Welcome back, you guys, and welcome to Recipe Wednesday. So in today's recipe, I am going to show you guys how to cook swordfish kebabs in the air fryer. This recipe is so easy that your kids could cook it for you. So all you need is salt, olive oil, paprika, black pepper, and your swordfish kebabs. So the very first thing you're going to do is you're going to put your swordfish kebabs into a mixing bowl. Then you're going to drizzle on about 4 tablespoons of olive oil. So once you've drizzled on your olive oil, you just want to flip the swordfish kebabs over, making sure that every inch of it is covered in olive oil. Not only does this give you extra nutrients, but it allows your ingredients, your spices, to stick on, giving them a good coating. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to sprinkle on some paprika. And then you just want to rub it on. You want to give your swordfish kebabs a little good massage. Flip it over. And I tend to do this by piece, just because I want to make sure that all of my kebabs are completely covered in the seasonings. Next, we're going to sprinkle on some black pepper. Once again, we're going to go ahead and give these swordfish kebabs a little massage. Flip them over. Sprinkle on black pepper again. Give it another little massage. And we're just going to sprinkle on some salt. And we're going to basically repeat the steps that we have for the black pepper and the paprika. And we're just going to rub on the excess, whatever is left over in our bowl. You don't want too much salt, just because salt's not healthy, and it's going to take away from the nutrition that you're going to get from the swordfish kebabs. Then what you're going to do is you're going to put it aside in a Ziploc bag and let it sit out for an hour. This is going to give it enough time to marinate and pack in that flavor. So after your swordfish kebabs have been sitting for an hour and marinating, we're going to go ahead and cook them on 350 for 12 minutes. Okay guys, look at how beautiful these swordfish kebabs come out. Absolutely tender and beautiful. This is what the inside of a swordfish kebab looks like. It looks just like chicken. And I just want to show you. I cut that with my fork. Real quick. That's how tender they are. Absolutely amazing. And then I just add some fries. I did season the fries. If you guys want me to show you how I season my fries and how I cook my fries, I'd be glad to give you a recipe on that. Drop me a like down below, and also comment down below and let me know that you want to know how I season my fries, because they are amazing and they come out restaurant style fries. So that is it for the swordfish kebab recipe. Make sure to subscribe so you can keep up to date with all my recipes and cook your family a ton of delicious recipes. See you in the next video.